In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a TradingView indicator. Creating custom indicators using TradingView's Pine editor can greatly enhance your trading strategy, offering unique insights tailored just for you. Let's walk through this process step by step so you can create your own indicator and start fine-tuning your trading tools. First, you'll want to fire up TradingView and bring up your chart of choice. Once you've got your chart in front of you, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen where you'll find the Pine Editor tab. Click on it to open up the Pine Editor workspace where all the magic will happen. Now that you're in the Pine Editor, you're ready to create your script. Look for the New drop-down menu, which is typically sitting at the top right corner of the editor. From this menu, select Create New Indicator. This will give you a clean slate to start developing your custom indicator. The Pine Editor will come with sample code preloaded, but don't be afraid to clear that out and input your own or modify what's there. Let's cover some key elements of Pine script that you might include. The line /stat version 5 is crucial as it specifies the version of Pine script you're using. Then, you define your indicator's name with something like indicator, your indicator name. When it comes to plotting data, you could use a line such as plot your calculation, color, blue, title, your plot title. This code snippet will plot your indicator on the chart using your calculation. One handy feature of Pine script is its ability to allow user inputs. For instance, input, defival, 14, title, length, lets users set different lengths for the calculations, providing flexibility. Conditional logic can also be incorporated into your script using if condition. This provides dynamic responses based on changing data. Finally, using alert condition, condition title, alert condition, message, lets you set up alerts based on specific market conditions, keeping you informed in real time. Once you've input your code, it's time to solidify your work by saving it. Click the Save button or use the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+S, to save your script. Give it a memorable name and make sure it's saved to your TradingView account. This makes accessing your custom scripts much easier later on. After saving, click Add to Chart to see your indicator come to life below your main chart. But the journey doesn't end there. Further customization and testing are where you'll refine your tool. You can tweak your indicator settings by double-clicking its name on the chart, opening the Settings Inputs tab. Here, you can adjust parameters, add more plots, and place alerts, allowing you to see how your indicator reacts to different situations. Experimenting with various inputs and conditions will give you a clearer picture of its performance and adaptability. And that wraps up our tutorial on creating a TradingView indicator. By following these steps, you'll have a custom tool that can potentially offer better trading insights. Enjoy exploring the realm of Pine script and the added depth it can bring to your trading setups.